Pimples are usually quite annoying and unsightly. Adults make us believe that they will end when our adolescence ends, but over time, you realize that it is not true. If you have acne in adolescence, it means that you have oily agents and chemicals. Another reason could be fatty or fried foods. You should treat these pimples once a week with saltwater baths or apple cider vinegar and water in a 1:2 ratio. For pimples on the neck, if you wear tight necklaces, they probably irritate your skin and pimples come out. They can also appear by shampoo. Another of the most common causes is the intake of sweets. To remove them, clean your neck with a cotton ball soaked in lemon and let it stand. After 10 minutes, rinse your neck with warm water. 5 Pimples on the legs. Tight synthetic clothing and poor hygiene are the most common reasons for acne in the legs. It also appears when we shave with a blade. To eliminate these pimples, you should add 5 drops of tea tree oil to your shower gel and wash your skin as you normally do. The next time those pimples that we hate so much appear, you will have no excuse, and you can quickly remedy it. Remember to avoid things that become the leading causes. Do many pimples usually appear on your skin, or are you one of the lucky ones who don't have to fight with them? Please share it with all those friends who suffer from this problem.